I love the Japanese lantern lights. Of course, anytime I can get one of those in the shot, I also do that. So they're kind of having that as my main focal point, and then I'll get a frontal shot of that little building there, which is pretty cool. Kind of wait till people walk by just to add some human element to it, like that. Boom. This street here is one of my favorite streets to come on because it's pretty well lit, and you can get some cool, authentic Japanese-looking style shots here. So I would basically frame something up like this. Got that cool neon there in the background. Sweet. Also, we got the train coming here, so it's a good opportunity. I can grab this shot. Again, ISO 500. Sweet. Get a closer shot on this building right here.